This logic works everywhere. It is not tied to AWS or it's not tied to Google Cloud now. This logic works across. AWS, when you talk about crawl, you have application discovery service. You have AWS Transform, which will do the discovery for you. And then if it's standard VMware, probably a lot of customers still do, what do you call them? Your RV tools output, all works fine. Okay. When you talk about walk phase in crawl, here you have Azure Migrate Appliance. In Google Cloud, you have Stratazone Assessment. And then in Nutanix, you have Extra Assessment and NC2 Planning. These are the different tools and capabilities which will help you during the crawl phase here. In walk phase, you can run an EVS pilot. Means you can quickly do a migration from means your existing VMware environment into your Elastic VMware service on AWS. Because on the other side is also it's VMware. So it's just moving a virtual machine from this side to this side. Right click, migrate. Okay. You can do HCX testing as well. Okay. Apart from that, here you have AVS pilot, you have migration testing. Every solution has their own pilot and testing approach. You have Nutanix move testing, all of that. And at run, you have EDS production or cloud native services. Sometimes customers go to EDS for 1 year, and then from there, they will modernize later. Okay, it's a choice. Same with ADS also, you might do an intermediate solution for 1 year, and then during that time frame, you will have different cycles of modernization. And this is common across all the vendors. So the point is, the methodology is common across all the platforms. Tools are slightly different.